How to make fast money without a website. With this method, you can make $32 in 7 minutes, and you can repeat over and over and do this. And you don't need no website, you don't need no software, nothing. You can start absolutely for free with this method. So before we get to the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment on the section below, I subscribed, because I reply to everybody here on the channel and I will get back to you. Alright, so the very first thing you need is you need to create yourself a Facebook group. Just like this one that I have over here. And what you want to do is, you want to create here a cover. You can come to this website, which is canva.com, and you can go ahead and create a cover here for the group, I've created mine here. It's pretty simple. So you literally just upload the image, you can move things here and you can edit. And once you have your group up and running, like I have mine like this, what you want to do is you want to invite people to the group. Then what you want to do is you want to create a post here, and this post will say this. Here's the script, by the way. You then can pause this video and copy this script. So literally we're going to do a post where it says, welcome to this online entrepreneur group. Would you like to win a 500 gift card? Who doesn't want that, right? If yes, follow the steps below. Step number 1, like this post if you like to win this gift card for free. Step 2, invite 10 people to this group. Step 3, email me at the email right here, and I will show you why that, with the name of the 10 people you invited to the group. And 4, I will write you back with the information so you can participate. Good luck. So you want to have a post just like this over here, and what you want to do is on that post, you want to click these 3 dots and put this right here, mark as announcement. What this will do is it will keep that post up on top. So here's how it goes. Some people, on the group, they read this and would you like to win a 500 gift card, right? And so what you want to do is you want to come to this website right here, which is offervault.com. And you want to search here for Google Gift. What's going to pop up is, let's see. All right, we see right here, 500 Google Play gift card. But this right here, $30 per leads. So somebody signs up, just a sign up, this is like a lead, and you get $30. Now this is for the country, this is just for one country. So you want to look for international, gift card international. Here it is, win a 500 Google Play gift card international right here, $32 per lead. And so what you want to do is you want to click on it. Now it's going to tell you which network is that is happening. So you need to go down. In this case, it's on Max Bounty. So you need to join this network and to go ahead and promote this offer. Now, every lead that comes in, you make $32. So what you want to do here with the strategy is we are giving that 500 gift for them, right? And so what's going to happen is they're going to type in yes on the group, and then they're going to like this post to get the free card. They're going to invite 10 people to this group, which is going to create a viral effect going on. So people are going to come to the group and also going to do this as well. That's why this works really well. And then what they're going to do is they're going to email me and then your email right here. Now this what you want to do right here. So once you join this network and you grab the affiliate link, they're going to email you to this email with the name of the 10 people they invited to the group. So once they do that, what you want to do is you want to create a Gmail account, a free account. You don't have to pay nothing for this. You just have to create a Gmail account over here. Once you create a Gmail account, you want to come here on top to the settings and then click here, see all settings. All right, scroll all the way down. And over here at the bottom, you will see this one right here, which is vacation responder. And what you want to do is you want to put vacation responder on. And then here on the message is you want to add, okay, to win the 500 gift Google card. Click here to access, and you're gonna put the link that you grabbed from the affiliate network, right? You're gonna put the link on the email right here. You tell them to click, you save, then you go ahead and you save changes. What will happen is everybody that sends an email to this specific email that you've created here, automatically it will send them back an email with the affiliate link here that we got from our network here, right? And so this process happens automatically. So we're sending them the message automatically. And this has a viral effect into it. And then step number 4, I will write you back with the information so you can participate. Good luck. And this is exactly what the email is doing on autopilot. So no excuses right here. You can do this absolutely for free. Oh, and by the way, here to join this affiliate network, most people struggle to, to join these type of networks. The reason is because when they try to join, they ask a couple of questions, and people just put random answers. You have to really, when joining these networks, you have to really tell them that you have a plan of action so they can accept you. There we go. This is the strategy. Very simple. Once you have the group right here, just keep inviting people to the group over here, and this will have that viral effect, as they have to invite 10 people to be able to get the gift, and these 10 people will also repeat the process again and again, and that's how you're gonna get sign-ups, and for each people that puts in their name and email as a lead, you're gonna get $32, and it can really add up. And this is just one of your groups, and you can do this in multiple groups, but I definitely recommend you start with one and just keep inviting people to this group. Who doesn't want to win a 500 Google Play gift card, right? So this is how you do it. Take action on this and make your 32 bucks over and over again with this method. I hope you like this method. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you want to make money online, I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next video. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please go ahead and share with them. They will be very grateful, so they can start making money online without needing a website, without needing nothing. They can do it absolutely for free. Thanks for watching. It was a pleasure being with you here. Thank you for taking the time for being here with me. I really appreciate you. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.